He comes out off of gate number 4, having regained a place with Scunthorpe for this year, did the American. Heat number 2, let's see what he can do off gate number 4 as the race is underway. And into the first corner, it's a good start by Manzarek, but also a good one by Cody Garcia. As Garcia it is who leads the way then from Manzarek in second place. Drew Kemp, well, he's coming around the outside of Danny Phillips, and he's got through in the third place. The Millwall Ben Tiger sensation, he's back in third place. Garcia it is who leads the way then from Manzarek, holding off Kemp in heat number 2 as they complete lap number 2. Then it is Garcia who still leads the way. Kemp, well, he's looking pretty quick in third place. Gino Manzarek, well, he's still holding on to that second position, but here comes Kemp again trying an outside line. They're on the final lap. All eyes are on the battle for that second place, and here comes Drew going out very wide indeed, and this time he's built up the speed and he's got through in the second place ahead of the American. So Kemp, he's gone from last to second in a thrilling heat number 2, the reserves race. Cody Garcia, well, he gets the win. Kemp, well, he came around the outside of Danny Phillips on the opening lap, and then it took him a couple of laps to find a way past the American Manzarek, but he managed to do so and turning what was a shared heat into a 5-1-4 Ipswich in race number 2 then, and no doubt he's going to get a great reception, the young man. He's been getting some rave reviews from Mildenhall, who are taking all above before them in the National League, and well, he's Drew Kemp's taken paid win there in heat number 2.